Welcome students. We will be dealing with data visualization using Power BI. So we should know what is data visualization and what is Power BI. So what is data visualization? Data visualization is a representation of data by using visual elements. Okay, like it can be visual elements, it can be charts, okay, it can be maps or tables, dashboards, etc. Okay, dashboards, etc. So we will be dealing with data visualization. So what is visualization? You all know. But what is data visualization? We will be representing the data, okay, by visual elements. For example, what are the visual elements? Something called charts, maps, tables, dashboards, etc. Okay, so data visualization using Power BI. So now what we should know what is Power BI. Okay, so before going to Power BI, that's a business intelligence tool. Okay, Power BI, it's a business intelligence tool, BI tool. So before going to Power BI, let me start with a quote. If you torture your data long enough, it will confess to anything. A famous Nobel Prize economist, Ronald Coase. It's a quote by Ronald Coase. That's a Nobel Prize meaning economist. And how he had given that quote: if you torture your data long enough, it will confess to anything. Okay. So what do you mean by that? He said, if you keep on, what do you mean by that? He said, if we keep on asking questions to our data set, it will give detailed insights to us. Okay, it will give us beautiful insights or detailed insights, but we should keep on asking to it. Okay, so same thing we will do with a tool called as Power BI. Okay, it's a business intelligence tool. Same thing we will do that with Power BI, which is a BI tool, which is a business intelligence tool. Okay, so now coming to what is Power BI? Power BI tool, it's a business intelligence tool which help you to analyze the data, clean the data and convert the data into visual format. Okay, so what is Power BI? It's a business intelligence tool basically which helps us to analyze. We will be analyzing the data, so we are dealing with data students. Okay, and we will be cleaning the data and convert the data into visual formats. Okay, where we can create different reports. The visual formats there where we can create different reports and dashboards. So we will be dealing with, so you will be asking me what is report, what is dashboard. We'll be dealing with all those. Okay, in Power BI, what all those are, reports and dashboards. So in simple terms, it's a BI tool which help us to analyze. We'll be analyzing the data, clean the data and convert the data. So we'll be cleaning the data and we will be converting the data into visual formats. Our topic itself is data visualization. Okay, so we'll convert the data into visual formats where we can create different reports, where we can have many reports and dashboards as well. We will be dealing with reports and dashboards in later videos. So now what is Power BI? In other terms, we can tell Power BI, it's a collection of components. It's a collection of components. So what are the different components in Power BI? Okay, we have Power Query, we have Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI Service. So these are the main different components of Power BI. It's a collection of components. In another way, we can tell Power BI is a collection of different components. What are they? Power Query, first one. Second one is Power Pivot. Third is Power View. By the name itself, you will be. So we will be dealing with each one. What is query? What is pivot? What is view? By Power View means something we can view. Okay, visualization where it is where we can view the data. That is something Power View. And then Power BI Service. Okay, it's a collection of different components. What are the different components? Power Query, Pivot, View, and Power BI Service. Okay, so what is Power BI? It's basically a business intelligence tool which help us why we want, which help us. We will be analyzing the data, we'll be cleaning the data and convert the data into visual formats. We are dealing with data visualizations, so which will be converted into visual formats where we can create different reports and dashboards. Okay, and then another way we can define Power BI. It's a collection of different components. Okay, this BI tool is a collection of different components, and what are the main components? Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI Service. Okay, we will be dealing with each of this. What is Query, Pivot, View, and Service in the next video. Okay, so thank you, students.